Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy sausage gravy recipe. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is take our sausage. We're using Jimmy Dean's regular premium pork sausage, and we're going to fry this up in a pan. No oil or butter needed at this point. Sausage is browning up nice. Should be just a few more minutes, and we do not want to remove the oil or the grease. So that will be part of the nummy sausage gravy. Alright, our sausage is browned up nice, so like I said before, do not take out the grease. We're going to keep that in there. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. And we are going to let that melt and coat all of our sausage first. Okay, now that our butter is melted and we've coated all of our sausage, we are going to add a 1/3 cup of flour. And this happens to be all-purpose flour. I don't really think it's going to matter, but so we're going to mix this in. Okay, after we've got that flour all mixed in and we don't see it anymore, we're going to add in 3 cups of milk. And we're going to give that a quick stir, and we want to bring that up to a simmer. Okay, as this is warming up, make sure you continue to stir off and on, maybe every minute. You don't want to scorch your milk. So we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and this is completely to taste. I like it more peppery, but my family not so much. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. So we're going to mix that in and continue to let this come to a simmer. Alright, as you can see, it's really thickening up nice and it's starting to bubble a little bit. We're going to get our biscuits started in the oven, and then I'm just going to let this continue to simmer. Alright, so our sausage gravy is done. As you can see, it's nice and thick. Smells amazing. We have our biscuits done, so we're going to go ahead and pour this over some biscuits and enjoy. So here's our delicious biscuits, and let's go ahead and put some gravy on. Smells amazing. This is a super easy recipe. Please give us a like. Let us know if you've got any comments and how you like your gravy. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.